How to use the new inline emojis feature in Google Docs. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can use the inline emojis feature on Google Docs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Google Docs and as you can see there's a demo over here. Now simply click the pointer to where you want the emojis to have been inserted and then go to the insert option available. And upon opening it, you'll be able to see that there's an emoji option available there. Simply click on it and there the menu for emojis will open up. Select the emojis that you prefer and then it will appear on the screen. Also, another thing that you can do is go to the emoji option again and search for the emojis that you prefer. It is a very simple process. Just go to the search bar and search for the emojis that you want to use. Also, in order to use the inline emoji, simply press the Add key on your keyboard and then type in whatever emoji that you want to have. For example, I'm going to write smile over here, and if you scroll down now, you'll be able to see all of the emojis related to smiling face. And there you go. That's how easy it is to use the inline emojis in Google Docs. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.